Hi and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. Today I'm going to show you another mandala, four-pointed mandala, where I'm using the colorful yarn and a black yarn. So I'm tying the first square with this 6-inch dowel. After I complete the square, as you can see, I'm taking out a little portion of the black, and then I move on to the colorful yarn and make the arrow shape as I have shown you in an earlier video. I'll link the video in the description. If you have not checked that one, you can go and check how to make this. It's very easy. Now after I finish that, I make this black square. Now you can see why I took out that black portion on the other side, so that it makes a square. After I finish the black square twice, then I will start with the colorful yarn, so this way on the other side, so the arrow will be pointing on the right side of the previous one, as you can see. So it's pointing on the next dowel. I hope you can understand. What I'm trying to do here is, just every time I will shift the arrow to the next dowel, pointing to the next dowel. So every time I finish one arrow, I will tie a black square around it, for which I need to make that portion coming out. So see, I have to make this portion come out so that it forms a square. Now again the arrow is on the pointing to the next dowel. See, now I will go to the next one, but before that I will make the black square. As you can see, I have taken out this black portion on one side so that it forms a square. Just on the opposite side you have to make this black thing coming out. Again I will arrow, it will be pointing this way. The design is not very hard to do. Now I've completed this, and I'll go to the next arrow, and I'll finish up off here. This is the last arrow, and then I will make the black square, last black square with the hoops, as I always do. So the hoops are done. Now I have tied this hoop a little bigger because I wanted to make a tassel hanging from down from the bottom portion. So as you can see, I'll put it through this and make a tassel. You can clean up the threads from behind after you complete everything. And that's it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And please do give feedback. Thank you so much.